So we bought our house 8 years ago, and there was a few things that came through on our house inspection report. The roof was gonna have to be replaced anywhere from 5 to 10 years.
So we woke up one morning and there was just a little trickle of water coming down through one of our light fixtures. And that's when I knew it had to get done right away.
This spring, we were outside and we caught, Maria was out, and then she started telling me about the aluminum roof with Interlock. We thought that was really interesting.
Well, I mean, of course, the first question was, can we afford this? I mean, it is a little more expensive than doing your roof with traditional shingles. But after we thought about it and started thinking long term, we realized in the end it's a far more affordable solution than redoing your roof every 10 years.
One thing I have noticed is definitely the sound factor. I think it's a bit quieter upstairs, maybe because everything's a bit quieter upstairs because we're trying to keep a baby asleep.
No, it's true, because we had rain one day, and normally we'll wake up to rain and we'll know it's raining, but we woke up, we walked out to the kitchen, looked out the window, and were shocked to find out that it was raining because the roof was so quiet we didn't know that it was coming down, and coming down quite hard.
The week we brought our baby home, we had a few inches of snow because it's Edmonton in September, why wouldn't it snow? And we were sitting in the living room and we heard this like incredibly loud roar. And we both looked at each other and then we had to look outside to find out what it was. And then we saw the snow falling down off the roof.
I didn't find it that loud, to tell you the truth.
I jumped. Now that we're used to it, I think it'll be no problem. The number one thing that I was drawn to was the longevity of the roof, knowing that we would never have to replace it again. The second part that I was drawn to and that was really appealing was the sustainability and the environmental factor.
I felt relieved, because it's something I'll never have to worry about again.